Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Gcash protection problem, right? So once I open the Gcash, I would be getting some issue here, some detection you can see here. So if you get the same issue, what you have to do, you have to first of all close this Gcash. Now you have to go to the settings of your phone. Once I go to the settings of your phone, you have to find developer mode, right? So let me just find the developer mode on. So if you find the developer mode somewhere here, just turn that developer mode right now. So let me just look for it. So guys, if you get this developer mode, you have to turn this off. Once you turn this developer mode off, now you have to again go to the settings of your phone, right? We'll just go back from here. Now you have to go to this app management. Just go to the app section, click on app management, and here you have to search Gcash. Once I search the Gcash, I will just open this Gcash here. Now I will just go to the storage usage, clear cache, and clear the data. Once I clear the data, let me show you. This time it will work perfectly fine. Now I will open the Gcash here, right? You can see that this is opening perfectly fine. It just wants some request permission. So what we have to do, we have to just give the permission, right? Once I give the permission, I will click allow, and here we can see that Gcash work perfectly fine in my phone. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.